Welcome to Daring Marani YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about causes, symptoms and actions and precautions that we need to take in case of scavenge fire. So let's move in detail. So causes of scavenge fire. Scavenge fire can be caused due to cylinder oil that can collect in the scavenge space of an engine. That may be reason for a scavenge fire. Or unburned fuel and carbon may be blown out into scavenge space as a result of defective piston ring, faulty timing and defective injector, etc. And unburned, a buildup of flammable mixture presents as a danger as a blow past of hot gas from the cylinder, and this may ignite the mixture and causes scavenge fire. Okay, the cause of scavenge fire, some reasons are here mentioned. Means cylinder oil can collect in the scavenge space of an engine, maybe chances are there, and unburned fuel and carbon may blown out into scavenge space as a result of defective piston ring, faulty timing, defective injector, etc. Then buildup of this flammable mixture, this can present as dangerous blow past of hot gas from the cylinder and may ignite the mixture, and this will cause a scavenge fire. What are symptoms of scavenge fire are loss of engine power will result as a result of scavenge fire, and high exhaust temperature at the affected cylinder. Exhaust temperature will be high for the affected cylinder. Then affected turbochargers may surge. Maybe turbocharger surging will be there if there is scavenge fire. Then spark will be seen from the scavenge drain. From the bottom platform there will be scavenge drain. From there we can see spark. So these are symptoms of a scavenge fire. So it will be loss of engine power will result because engine power will reduce, RPM will reduce. Then high exhaust temperature at the affected cylinder. Then affected turbocharger surging will be there. Then spark will be seen from the scavenge drain. Then what are the actions that we need to take when the scavenge fire occurs? Once a fire is detected, engine should be slowed down. That is a mandatory. Engine should be down from the full ahead. We can come to the dead slow. We need to reduce the speed. Then shut fuel for the affected cylinder and cylinder lubrication should be increased. Cylinder lubrication should not be stopped, but fuel supply should be stopped. And all scavenge drains should be closed. Okay, scavenge drain should be closed. And small fire, if there is small fire, then it will be quickly burned. But still fire persists, engine must be stopped. Okay, but the action taken for basic small fire we here mentioned means once a fire is detected, scavenge fire is detected, our engine speed should be reduced, and we have to supply cylinder lubrication. It should be continued, but shut the fuel oil supply, and all the scavenge drains should be closed. And so if it is small fire, small scavenge fire, then it will automatically get finished, burn out, quickly burn. But still the fire exists means we need to stop the engine, and fire extinguisher medium must be kept ready. Means should be then injected to the scavenge trunkings, and no account should trunking be opened up. Okay, here what we need, if it is a large scale fire, the fire still exists, persists is there, then fire extinguisher medium should be injected to the fittings provided the scavenge trunking, and no account this trunking should be opened up. This is what we need to take. So what are the precautions we can take to avoid scavenge fire? Is to avoid scavenge fire occurring engine timing and equipment maintenance should be correctly carried out. So only thing we can do proper maintenance. That means engine timing and equipment maintenance should be properly made out. Scavenge trunking should be should be regularly inspected and cleaned. Scavenge trunking should be regularly inspected and cleaned if necessary. Then when carbon or oil buildup in found in scavenge, its source should be detected and fault remedied. If there is a carbon or oil buildup in the scavenge, we have to find out for the source. It should be detected and the fault should be remedied. This is what we can do. And scavenge drains, like I mentioned, scavenge should be regularly blown, and any oil discharge investigated at first opportunity. We have scavenge drain should be regularly blown, and any oil discharge investigated at the first opportunity. Thank you.